My name is Joy Janet. I'm born again. I love Christ. And I'm here to address a certain issue that has been trending online and a certain video that was recorded by a girl named Queen Kego. Akisema neyetwo shiringi 5,000 kuria atomagira Joy Janet uria ari niyo nigetha thie perform launch yake. Na unfortunately agikora aragia na scam uria to Rebecca Wanderi. Nyambe njuge ni sorry kumudo wothe wiyetwo bia agiciria ni aratumira agakora ati ni aratumira. I'm very sorry about that. Nijwe mugituma bia ici mutumaga na wendo na nijwe rimwe kona bia ici ti hahuthu ni haritu muno. Koguo ni ndauga ni sorry muno, ndahera ndina ruo ruingi muno ngoro kumenya hena andu mararira kuja ni tondu tu ni mendire Joy Janet mundu ungi akioya kanya kau akiona amayebi. I'm very sorry about that. Queen Kego, I understand your pain. Watumire bia icio ni wendo ria wendete Joy Janet naguo tondu wa mutumagira nigetha wanjithaga nigetha njuke perform launch ni yaku kana njuke grace event yaku. Unfortunately ugikora tini waragia nani. I'm very sorry about that and I understand your pain. Page yakwa ni Joy Janet Kenya. Joy Janet Kenya. I'm still working on the blue tick and ina followers 399,000 right now. Koguo how noho ogekora iyo noyo page yakwa Joy Janet Kenya with 399,000 followers right now. Withoutire mudu wetagwa Rebecca Wanderi, and I've posted about Rebecca Wanderi here before. Here is the post. Na juga Rebecca ni araiyira andu na to uguo ni ndoire ikinya ria guthi Safaricom na tukihiga namba ya Rebecca Wanderi, and from that time, which I think it was early this year or late last year, I don't remember very well. From that time digwete mundu yetwo ni Rebecca Wanderi rege. Ni hindi riu ndirokire kuigua kesi ino ya Queen Kego